Can we have multiple agents in a Jenkins pipeline? Here's today's starting point. I have a Jenkins LTS controller version 2.414.1, and attached to this controller, I have 3 different agents. So the question is, can we have multiple agents used within a Jenkins pipeline? And the answer is, of course, yes. So how do we do that? Well, we have to configure the pipeline in a very specific way. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to create an item name called multiple and select pipeline and click OK. So in this case, we'll start out with our hello world. The first thing that we're going to do in order to use multiple agents, I'm going to set the agent any to agent none. So at the global level, the agent being used is none. So that means we're going to be defining agents at each stage along the way. So in this case, I'm going to say stage hello 1 as just sort of my starting point. I'm going to add in an agent block right here. I'm going to say agent, label, and to be able to target agent 1, I'm going to say Linux and x86. Because if we were to take a look at agent 1, these 2 labels make this agent unique. I'm going to say hello world from agent 1. Let's go ahead and copy this. We're going to change this to hello 2. I'm going to target agent 2, which in this case is Mac OS and ARM. I'm going to say hello world from agent 2. And then finally, for agent 3, I'm going to target it using 2 different labels. I'll have Linux, but the second one is going to be ARM v7. And we'll say hello world from agent 3. We'll also change the stage to hello 3. So in a quick review, we've set up the pipeline with a global level agent of none. And then at each stage, in order to use multiple agents, we're defining the agent at the stage level. So we're saying stage, agent, specifying the labels to end up on a specific agent, and then we're echoing out on each of those agents. And in fact, I'm going to change this to sh echo so we know for sure that we're running inside of that agent. So I'll copy this. We'll do the same thing here and also down here. Okay, agent none, and then agents at every stage. Let's go ahead and click save and click on build now. If we take a look at the output of build number 1, what we're going to see is that we're running on agent 1 and we see our echo out for agent 1. We get down to hello 2, we can see that we're running on agent 2. And we get down to hello 3 and we can see that we're running on agent 3. But you'll notice at the top, there's no specifier for agent none. So if agent none is specified at your global level, there's no reference in the console output. So again, agent none, and then we defined agents at every stage in order to run multiple agents within a Jenkins pipeline. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter at CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.